Hey everyone, it's Danielle with the Victorious Planner and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be decorating my weekly spread for the week of November 29th in my Catch-All planner. I did recently film a video sharing how I plan out a full month's worth of decorative spreads, and this sticky note was from that video, so I will link that above or below. Check that out if you haven't already. But this is the first spread among all of my Christmas themed spreads this year, so I am super excited to begin decorating with all of the Christmas fun. And so for this spread I chose the Seasons of Color sticker book, and I did pull out stickers already. I haven't decided entirely where I want them placed, but as you can see, we're going to go a little bit crazy with the Christmassy florals in this spread. And then I also want to make my own boxes. I chose this kind of a deep red scrapbook paper and a gray. I just kind of thought those two colors, out of the options that I have on hand anyway, go really well with these stickers. So let's get into it, and I'm just going to I don't have an exact size of these boxes. I'm just going to kind of go for it and make a few different sized boxes that we can kind of place throughout this spread. Okay, now that we got the boxes cut out, I'm gonna do, you probably noticed I'm gonna do like a little bit of a red shadow behind these boxes. So I'm just gonna tape the gray ones over the red ones, and then they'll be ready to be placed on the spread. I am using just Scotch double-side tape. I prefer to use the Tombow permanent adhesive. I love this stuff. You just roll it on and then stick things together, but I ran out, so this one is all used up. I need to get some more refills, so hopefully I'll be able to order those soon because that goes a lot quicker than pulling out little pieces of tape. But this is what I have right now, so I'm gonna make it work. Okay, now that we got those stuck together, I think we're ready. And I didn't worry about being too perfect, so they might look a little crazy, but I think once we get them on the spread with all the flowers, it will probably be hard to notice, hopefully anyway. Okay, so let's get the pages pulled out for this spread. And we'll get rid of this. Okay, so hopefully the 4 boxes is enough, but I think with as large as my flower stickers that I pulled out are, I think that will work. Okay, so I know that I want to do some of the stickers down the center. I've done that before. I really like the way that looks and turns out. And then I have a couple of quote stickers that I want to be sure to use. So I actually think I might start with the quotes and get kind of the corners filled in, and then we'll go down the center. So this is one of the quotes. It says "Making Spirits Bright" in that beautiful red foil, and I want to put that with kind of like these 2 flowers over in the corner. Let me start to decide where I want these boxes, and then we'll see. Might even have to pull this one up. decide if I want to even layer the boxes that are already kind of layered. But I think I might. I really like clusters. Okay, and then this we can put right over the top there. I think I need to get the boxes down first though. Okay, now that we got the boxes placed down, I'm gonna finish out the florals on this spread. I really like how it's turning out. I know some of it's a little crooked, but I love these colors. These colors of paper with these florals I think are so beautiful. Oops. Okay, and then let's see, I'm gonna take a peek. There's a couple more stickers in here, the front here, that I might want to pull out to add, so kind of around these boxes. Okay, now we have to cut off the edges. Okay, let's cut off our edges here, and then we'll see if any of them are, if we're going to salvage any of them. I think this big one we will, but probably not these other little ones. Yeah, let me turn it around so I can see where the sticker is and where the paper is. Okay, there we go. So this one, I think there's enough left that I definitely want to put it somewhere. We could put it over here. Possibly, yeah, let's do that. And then I am leaving this part open, so obviously I'm going to have a to-do list for the week here. I like to leave a little part open here for like a scripture or a positive quote or an extra note if I need it. And then on each day, I just write a little bit about that day. Obviously there is not a lot of room to write on this spread, but this will just be my recap of each day or the highlights of each day. And then my daily planner is where I will get into a lot of detail for each day. There we go, and then just have a few little edges here to clean up, and then I will cut the center and punch the holes out, and we will be all done. I grabbed my Happy Planner hole punch, and I was making sure the phone was still recording. Hopefully it is. And then I take the back off so that I can see. Stick the paper in there, and then I take the back off so I can line up those holes with the hole punch and then push them through like so. All right, and then one more, and then I won't necessarily do that on here right now, but then I will clean out my hole punch, get all that stuff off of there, and then we are able to place this back in the planner. And look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness, what do you guys think? Well, I hope you like it. I'd love to hear from you. Comment below. Thank you so much, you guys, for planning with me again, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!